Hello guys, I'm Srijita. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, June 1st. So right now it's 8:45 a.m. I'm gonna start my vlog by having my breakfast. So yeah, let's get into this video. So for breakfast I am going to have egg veggie sandwich and green tea, that's it. And after that maybe I'm gonna clean up my apartment a bit because So after having breakfast, now I'm going to marinate these chicken pieces because today's dinner maybe I'm gonna make chicken kebab rice or chicken kebab roll. I'm not decided yet, but yeah. So for the marination I added lime juice, then I'll add ginger garlic paste, yogurt, and for the spices I'm gonna add coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, and then I mixed it up. Then after mixing it up, I'm going to add coriander and green chili paste into it, mix it up, cover it, and keep it in the fridge for the marination. So right now I'm gonna make dinner, and as you guys saw I marinated the chicken kebab, so I'm going to make kebab roll. So that's that. But before that I'm just gonna organize this snack cabinet because it's a total mess right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I organize this part, and so yeah. And then I'm going to add oil, vegetable oil, and or I can add mustard oil too, and salt into this kebab marination, and I'm gonna cook this up by the time I'm gonna make the dough for the roll. So yeah, that's the thing. Now let's get into this video. Now I'm going to put this chicken pieces into the skewers and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes on 375 Fahrenheit. So I'm just adding excess marination masalas onto the chickens. I'm cutting this paratha with a butter knife and flip it like this, then I roll it. So I'm making my paratha like this way so that it will create a little layers on the parathas. these are the leftovers which I'm going to keep in the fridge. Hey guys, so as you guys saw, I had my dinner, cleaned the kitchen, and so I'm gonna end my today's vlog here. And now I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you like to watch my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification so that you won't miss any of my videos. So now bye guys.